Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can fix the filters option not showing in your WhatsApp video calls on Android. So let us guide you through this. Step number 1, open WhatsApp and access your WhatsApp settings. To do that, tap into these three dots on the top right and navigate to settings. Step number 2, tap into privacy, and step number 3, swipe all the way down till to get to the allow camera effects. Make sure that allow camera effects is enabled. If that's not the case, simply switch it on here. That would be option number 1. However guys, if that hasn't fixed the issue, you may do also the following. Close the WhatsApp application, navigate to your phone settings and tap into apps and notifications. Select WhatsApp, and what you want to do next is tap into permissions here and check if your phone camera has given WhatsApp the permission to use it. If that's not the case, simply enable camera here. So from now on, WhatsApp will be allowed to access your phone camera and to use also the filters option in video calls. If that hasn't fixed the issue either guys, you may also try the following. Navigate back to the previous menu and tap into uninstall here below WhatsApp. Tap into OK here to uninstall WhatsApp, and after that simply reinstall it by navigating to the Google Play Store. Type in here into the search bar, type in WhatsApp, tap into WhatsApp, and after that click into or tap into install here to install WhatsApp again, and that should fix the issue guys. If that's the case, please let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.